close your eyes. Breathe in the possibility. Imagine the life you crave, the one where abundance whispers your name. See yourself living it, feeling it, the sun on your skin, the wind in your hair, the gentle hum of satisfaction. This isn't some distant fantasy, it's the frequency of your future vibrating just within your reach. Are you ready to make that dream a reality? Because today, we're unlocking the secret to manifesting your desired future, the one where money flows effortlessly, not as a struggle, but as a symphony in tune with your joy. This isn't about chasing quick fixes or empty promises. It's about aligning your energy with the universe, becoming a magnet for abundance, and watching your dreams unfold like petals in the sun. So, are you ready to stop simply wishing and start attracting? Are you ready to become the architect of your own financial destiny? Then join me, Seeker, on this journey to tune into your desired future, where money isn't just a goal, but a natural extension of your vibrant, abundant life. Watch this video till the end, because the universe is ready to meet you halfway. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. All right, dreamers, settle in. We've laid the groundwork, ignited the spark of curiosity. Now, let's dive into the first step of tuning into your desired future, a future bathed in the golden light of financial freedom. But remember, attraction isn't just about snapping your fingers and watching dollar bills rain down. It's about cultivating a fertile inner garden where those seeds of abundance can blossom. Step 1. Shift your money mindset. Picture your current relationship with money. Is it one of fear, scarcity, or even resentment? Let's gently uproot those weeds and replace them with vibrant blooms of gratitude, trust, and belief. I used to be the king of not good enough. Every time a raise slipped through my fingers, I'd tell myself, it's okay, you don't deserve it anyway. But guess what? That limiting belief was a leaky bucket, draining any potential for abundance to trickle through. When I finally replaced it with, my birthright is abundance, and the universe is ready to reflect that in my finances, things started to shift. Opportunities bloomed where weeds once grew. It wasn't magic, it was alignment. So how do we shift that mindset? Gratitude is a powerful fertilizer. Start a money appreciation journal. List 5 things you're grateful for, even if it's just having enough for coffee that morning. Visualization is another potent tool. Imagine yourself receiving that dream paycheck, feeling the weight of abundance in your hands. Breathe it in. Let it sink into your bones. Believe in your worth, because the universe is listening. Remember, this isn't just about getting rich quick. It's about aligning yourself with the frequency of prosperity, about becoming a beacon for wealth that resonates with your authentic joy. So tend to your inner garden, water it with gratitude, and watch those seeds of abundance sprout into a life that flourishes. Are you ready for step 2? Your financial fairy tale is about to unfold. Step 2. The power of intention with laser focus. In step 1, we cultivated a fertile mental garden, ready to sprout the seeds of abundance. Now let's grab our cosmic loom and weave a tapestry of intention so vibrant it attracts the very life we crave. Remember, wishing is lovely, but intention is the laser that guides those wishes into reality. Picture your desired future as a vibrant tapestry. Is it woven with threads of financial freedom, travel adventures, or creative pursuits? See the colors, feel the textures, let the details shimmer in your mind's eye. This isn't just about vague, I want to be rich desires. It's about getting specific, detailed, and downright passionate. Research shows that focused intention activates a powerful ripple effect in the universe. Remember Isaac Newton's apple? That wasn't just a juicy snack. It was a testament to the power of focused thought attracting reality. So, channel your inner Newton, but with a focus on financial attraction. Here's how to weave your tapestry with practical exercises. Write down your desires. Let them dance across the page, unfiltered, uncensored. Feel the ink vibrate with your ambition. Create a vision board. Images, quotes, Anything that fuels your financial fire, stick it on a board, hang it high, and let it be your daily mantra. Practice daily visualization. See yourself in your dream life. Feel the abundance flowing. Make it real, make it vivid, make it your daily dose of inspiration. Remember, intention isn't a one-time ritual. It's a continuous dance with the universe. Stay focused, stay passionate, and watch the threads of your tapestry weave themselves into reality. Step 3. Align your actions with the flow of abundance. We've cultivated the fertile ground of our minds and woven a tapestry of vibrant intention. Now, it's time to bridge the gap between dream and reality, the crucial step of aligning our actions with the flow of abundance. It is now time to dance. Remember, attraction isn't passive. It's a dance of inspired action and harmonious resonance with the universe. Picture your desired future, that dream house, the fulfilling career, the freedom to travel. Now, imagine the steps you need to take to get there. Is it acquiring a new skill, starting a side hustle, or even simply shifting your daily habits towards financial awareness? See yourself taking those steps, feel the momentum building, the excitement of progress propelling you forward. I once dreamt of writing a book, but fear kept me frozen. It wasn't until I started small, writing a sentence a day, finding a supportive writing community, that the bridge started to form. Each action, no matter how seemingly insignificant, became a brick laid on the path towards my dream. And guess what? The universe met me halfway, opening doors and opportunities I never imagined. So how do we align the flow of abundance? Here are practical tips. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Feeling overwhelmed by $1 million dream? Start with saving $10 a week, taking an online course, or simply researching your goal in detail. Seek out inspiration and guidance. Surround yourself with positive, successful people, online communities, or even mentors. Their stories and advice can be the wind in your sails. Celebrate every milestone, big or small. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how insignificant it seems. Each step forward is a testament to your commitment, and the universe loves to reward progress. Step 4. Tune your financial frequency with gratitude's symphony. We've planted the seeds of abundance, woven a tapestry of intention, and built a bridge of aligned action. Now, let's unlock the secret weapon that amplifies our signal to the universe: gratitude's symphony. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a potent energy shift, a magnetic resonance that attracts abundance like bees to a fragrant flower. Science even backs this up. Studies show that practicing gratitude increases positive emotions, reduces stress, and boosts our overall well-being. And guess what? A happy, stress-free mind is a magnet for positive experiences, including financial ones. Here are practical exercises to conduct your own gratitude symphony. Start a gratitude journal. List 5 things you're grateful for every morning, even if it's just your morning coffee or a sunny day. Practice mindful appreciation. Take a moment each day to truly savor something you have: the warmth of your bed, the taste of your favorite food, the laughter of loved ones. Express gratitude verbally. Tell your loved ones how much you appreciate them. Send thank you notes, or simply smile and say thank you to the universe for its blessings. Remember, gratitude isn't a one-time performance. It's a continuous melody that resonates with the universe. The more you appreciate what you have, the more the universe will be drawn to shower you with even more abundance. It's about saying, "Thank you, universe, for the abundance already in my life, and I'm ready to receive even more." Step 5. Release resistance and embracing abundance. We've laid the groundwork, woven our tapestry, built the bridge, and fueled the engine of glowing gratitude. Now, it's time for the final step, the most liberating and transformative one of all: releasing resistance and fully embracing the flow of abundance. Picture yourself standing on a mountaintop, arms outstretched, the wind whipping through your hair. You've climbed, you've fought, you've conquered the doubts and anxieties that held you back. Now, it's time to spread your wings and let the universe carry you on the currents of abundance. Resistance can manifest in many ways. Fear of failure, doubt in our own worth, or that nagging feeling that abundance is just for others. But remember, these are just whispers in the wind, not concrete walls. We have the power to quiet them, to replace them with the confident hum of, I am worthy, I am capable, and I am ready to receive. So, how do we release this resistance and embrace the flow? Acknowledge it, then let it go. Don't judge the doubts, simply observe them, thank them for their lesson, and release them like feathers on the wind. Reframe your narrative. Instead of, I can't afford this, say, I'm on a path towards abundance, and every step brings me closer. Shift your perspective from lack to possibility. Practice self-compassion. We all have moments of doubt. Be kind to yourself, forgive your stumbles, and remember that you're worthy of receiving all the good the universe has to offer. Focus on what you want, not what you fear. Instead of dwelling on the what-ifs, visualize your desired future. Feel the abundance flowing towards you, and let that positive energy fuel your actions. As you release resistance, a beautiful thing happens. You open yourself up to the flow of abundance. It's not just about money, but about the richness of life in all its forms. It's the joy of creativity, the warmth of connection, the thrill of adventure. It's the feeling of being in perfect alignment with your soul's purpose. Remember, you are a magnet for abundance. You were born with the power to attract all that you desire. So spread your wings, beautiful soul. Let go of the fear, embrace the flow, and watch as your dreams take flight. And there you have it, beautiful dreamers. The 5 steps to tune into your desired future and attract the abundance you deserve. Remember, this isn't just about money. It's about aligning yourself with the flow of the universe, embracing your worth, and letting your vibrant life blossom. Now, feel the excitement of possibility hum in your veins. You are a magnet for abundance. Subscribe to Better World Zone for more guidance and inspiration on your journey to abundance, and share this video with someone who needs a little extra dose of magic in their life.